Hello, this is Antigone, your high-level ninja, just explaining a bit more about what wireframes are and why I asked for them for your designs. We will start with a very old school example. So it might have across the top, it's got your logo, your tagline. Anyway, it's a series of boxes and you can see very clearly what all goes where. What do you expect to see on the page? Remember, this is old school. Your website is probably not likely to be set up this way or this simple. And here is another example of a wireframe. It's a little bit newer of a design. If you look at it, you're probably going, you know what, that looks kind of like how Go High Level is laid out, come to think of it. This example is what it might look like if you are drawing it out by hand. So as you can see, that's where the images are, that's where the video is, where to put all of the various pieces and parts of your website. This example shows multiple pages or steps if you're doing a funnel, all on the same wireframe image. And finally, here's how you would show a wireframe for a desktop versus a tablet versus a smartphone. You might also have a wireframe for the tablet vertical versus landscape and so on.